So it's good. I can finish here, but the elbow need to be in. So if I'm here, also I want 45 degrees. So if I'm here, he can go. He can run away. See? So when I have this 45 degrees and I have his elbow in here, for him it's hard now. It's harder to go. Yes, I will submit him. No problem. Now I can submit also here, but I need this.
Always the small finger to break.
Yeah.
The thumb up.
Thumb up and hold. You can hold even here, here, like this. Depends. But it's very nice if you have 45 degrees when you do armbar, because there is less possibility for him to roll. So I'm here. He wants to roll. I follow. And also this, see, here. I use this hook because he needs shoulder to roll. And when I have this roll to the shoulder, he cannot roll. He needs that shoulder on the mat. So I use this hook here. See? Okay. That was detail about the armbar. You have video, so you can try.